Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show to you how to graph piecewise functions. What is piecewise function? Piecewise functions basically consist of two or more functions. So pag tinignan natin, parang very complicated ang given natin. Look at this number 1. So sa number 1, ang given function natin, ang name ng function natin ay f of x. Now, sabi natin ang piecewise functions composed of two or more functions. Okay, so we have here, the first function is f of x is equal to x plus 2 and the other one is equal to 5. Now, ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng mga expressions na nakalagay dito? Ang x is less than or equal to 0, ito yung tinatawag na restrictions or constraints para sa first function natin. At sa second function naman natin ay x is greater than 0. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin, yung mga values ng x na less than or equal to 0, yun lang ang ating ipapakita na graph. Di ba pag nag-graph tayo ng linear function, ng number 1 natin, these are two functions which are linear. Pag i-graph natin yan, ang graph nila is a straight line. Na kung saan, pag sinabi natin straight line, both directions may arrowheads. Ibig sabihin, extended. But this time, ang kukunin lang natin or ipapakita lang natin na graph ay yung graph na kung saan ang values of x is less than or equal to 0. Okay? While sa second function naman, x is greater than 1. Okay, para natin magawa yan, para mas madali, gagawa tayo ng table of values. So paghiwalayin muna natin yung dalawang functions na yan. So una, f of x is equal to x plus 2 at ito yung restriction natin. So ngayon, ano yung numbers? Ano yung mga numbers na less than or equal to 0? So of course, kasama ang 0 dito kasi equal to 0. And less than 0, kahit dalawang numbers na ang pwede nyong isubstitute kasi linear lang naman siya, we can have a graph even we just have 2 points. Okay? Negative 1, negative 2. So yun yung mga numbers na less than or equal to 0, mas marami pa yan. Ibig sabihin up to negative infinity. So, any numbers na negative ay pwede nyo ditong isubstitute. Okay, next. Paano makuha natin yung f of x? Di ba alam natin ang f of x is the same as y is equal to y. Now, so f of 0 is equal to, substitute lang natin instead of x, we are going to substitute 0. So, we have now 0 plus 2 that is equal to 2. Then f of negative 1 is equal to negative 1 plus 2, that is equal to 1. F of negative 2, negative 2 plus 2, that is equal to 0. So ito na yung mga values ng y natin or f of x. 2, 1, and 0. Okay? Ibig sabihin mayroon tayong 3 points dito. 0, 2. Ang x natin ay 0, ang y natin ay 2. Then we have negative 1, 1. And then we have negative 2, 0. Okay. So now, pwede nating i-graph na natin yung mga points na yan. Okay? So here, sabi dito, kasama ang 0, di ba? So kasama ang 0, nandito yung x. Ang focus natin, ang titingnan natin yung x. So ang x natin ay 0, which is kasama siya. So nandito ngayon ang point. So gagawin natin, magiging shaded circle. Kasi ibig sabihin yan kasama yung 0 na x. Then negative 1, 1 here. Okay? Sorry about this one. Okay, so we have now, the next is negative 2, 0. Negative 2, 0. So, dito naman yung pangatlong points natin. Okay. So, we have now, so, ibig sabihin, yung 3 points na to, ay kukonect lang natin. And, makakabuo na tayo ng straight line. At going dito, arrowheads. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng numbers na value ng x dito ay kasali. Okay? Going to the left. Okay? So, that's the graph. So, hindi siya buong graph. Kasi kung buong graph, dapat naka-extend yan hanggang doon. Then, mayroong arrowhead dito. Okay? Dapat, Kung buong graph siya, dapat ito ay linear function graph, dapat pa ganyan siya, di ba? And then, hanggang doon, ini-extend natin ang graph, di ba? Ganyan dapat. Pero dahil ito ay piecewise function at may restriction tayo, hindi nakasama ito. So, tatanggalin na natin yan. Okay, so yun lang. And then, yung second graph naman, or second function naman natin, f of x is equal to 5, which is y is equal to 5 because f of x is equal to y. At ano ang restriction natin dito? X is greater than 0. Okay? Now, so ibig sabihin, sa the point na to, ang x natin ay hindi kasama. Okay? Okay, so now, meron tayong y is equal to 5. Ano ba ang graph ng y is equal to 5? Di ba ang graph ng y is equal to 5 supposed to be ay straight line. Ibang color gamitin natin. Okay. So, dapat ang graph ng y is equal to 5 is a straight line, horizontal line na magdadaan siya sa y-axis na 5. Ganun dapat. Kaso, ito ang restriction natin which is greater than, that is greater than 1, not greater than 0. Okay, greater than 1. So, this is 1, not 0. Okay? Greater than 1. X is greater than 1. So, tanggalin na natin yan. Okay. So, now, nandito ang 1 sa x. Ito ang x natin, ito, 1. So, aakyat tayo ng 5 kasi y is equal to 5 dito. Kaso, ang mangyayari, since ang 1 ay hindi kasali, dapat gawin natin open circle. And then, greater than 1. So, ito yung 1, papunta sa right kasi greater dito. So, ibig sabihin ang graph natin ay papunta dyan. So, yan ang graph ng number 1 function natin, piecewise function. Okay. So, ayan, tingnan nyo. So, part lang siya ng graph. Piece. Maybe that's why it's called piecewise functions. So, just a piece of the graph, not the whole graph. Okay? Oh, now, let's have number 2. Sa number 2 natin dito, meron tayong, ang name ng function natin ay g of x. Again, meron tayong 2 functions here. But yung isa nating function ay quadratic function because of the exponent is 2. X is greater than or equal to 1, ang restriction natin. And then, 2x plus 1 at ang constraint naman natin or restriction, x is less than or equal to negative 3. So ngayon, gagawa tayo uli ng table para mas madali natin ma-identify kung ano yung mga values na yon. So ito yung x natin ay input natin, ito naman yung g of x natin. Okay? So now, mag-assign tayo ng mga values. Ano ba yung mga numbers na greater than or equal to 1? So of course, kasama ang 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now, ang gagawin na natin uli, evaluate lang natin f of 1 is equal to 1 squared, which is 1. F of 2, which is equal to 2 squared, that is 4. F of 3, that is equal to 3 squared, that is equal to 9. So 1, 4, 9, 4 squared, that is 16. Okay, so ang mga point natin ngayon ay 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, and then we have 4, 16. Okay? So, graph na natin. Okay, so yung graph natin dito, 1, 1. Nasaan ang 1, 1? Now, again, first, ang restriction natin ay greater than or equal to 1. So, kasama ang 1. Ito yung 1 natin. 'Di ba? Greater than or equal to 1. So, ngayon, ano ang magiging shaded siya, di ba? 1, 1. So, here, shaded. Okay? Then, 2, 4. And then, 4. And then, 3, 9. 4, 16. Okay, sabihin na lang natin doon sa taas. 16, dito. So, pag i-connect natin yan, ang hanggang dito, mula lang dito ang graph natin. Kukonek lang natin papunta dyan. Ayan, hanggang dyan. Okay, so yan ang graph niya ngayon. Okay, tingnan nyo ha, di ba ang graph ng quadratic function ay parabola? So, dapat pag itutuloy natin yan, kung siya ay parabola, dapat dadaan yan dito, pag ganyan. Ayan, ganyan dapat ang graph. Kaso hindi natin kailangan yung part na yan kasi ang restriction natin is greater than or equal to 1. This one. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin kailangan yun. So, tatanggalin natin yun. Okay? So, yan lang ang graph na kailangan natin. Okay, next. So, pangalawa naman natin, that is linear function. G of x is equal to 2x plus 1. G of x is equal to 2x. Ayan na pala siya. Okay, sorry. So, yan, 2x. So, gagawa na tayo ng table. Ang restriction natin, x is less than or equal to negative 3. So, gagawa tayo ng table dito. Okay, again, since linear lang siya, kahit dalawang points na lang gagamitin natin. Ito yung g of x. So, ano ba yung mga numbers na greater than, numbers na less than or equal to negative 3. Less than. So, negative 3 ay kasama siya. Okay? Now, let's try negative 4. Or negative 5. Something like that. So, again, less than or equal to negative 3. Okay. Now, substitute lang natin. G of negative 3 is equal to 2 times negative 3 plus 1. This is negative 6 plus 1 is equal to 5. Negative 5. So, this is negative 5. And G of negative 4 is equal to 2 times negative 4 plus 1. This is equal to negative 8 plus 1 is equal to negative 7. So, negative 7. Okay. So, meron na tayong dalawang points. Pwede na natin pa-plot yan at makakabuo na tayo ng line. Kasi linear function naman ito. Okay. So, first, negative 5. Ang value natin ng x. Negative 3. Ang y natin, negative 5. So, negative 3, then 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Okay. So, negative 3, negative 5. Okay, now kasama ba ang negative 3? Yes. So, dapat solid ang shaded ang ating circle dito. Then, negative 6, negative 7. So, negative 4, negative 7. So, ito. Yung pangalawa nating graph. And then, pwede pang tuloy-tuloy lang yan up to negative infinity. Ibig sabihin, alalagyan lang natin ng arrowhead. Arrowhead. Okay, so ganyan. Ayan na ngayon ang graph ng second function natin. So, ito na yung graph ng piecewise function number 2. Okay? So, that's all for this video. And for my next video, I'm going to show to you about how to graph piecewise function. Part 2 siya. Na kung saan more than 2 functions. Bye! See you on the next one.